So customer states the door will not close, and that is correct. The door will not close. Let's see. Up here. So it is. It's hitting the. You can see the scuff mark. And even trying to pull it is not really happening. Okay, and so we're on the bottom hinge, and we take our 3/32 inch Allen key, X key, and we turn it counterclockwise to loosen it, and we're doing that. And thank God that's working. And then I'm gonna use a caliper. We're gonna measure the distance right now. Let's see here. And so right now, that's the distance that we have, millimeters, so about 8 millimeters. We want to lower the door, so we're going to let's see if we can see this, and we're going to turn this nut clockwise, and that should lower the door just a bit. Alrighty, and now you can see that the door freely closes. Alright, thank God.